Okay, so what we're going to do today is change this weather bar just here. Now hopefully you can see just in here, it's not great because of the wet and the light, but the bar is actually blown. They've got a galvanized steel inner with rubber, which is a wonderful water trap, especially consider when in here just behind this trim is foam absorbent rubber. Great, isn't it? So let's have a go. Now just here, just behind this inner side of the trim are a couple of lugs kind of there and there, and I don't know if this one's been broken previously or it's been taken off wrong, but what you need to do is pull it here, just kind of pull it out and round. That came off far too aggressively, and what you can see just here, there's a clip there and a clip there which are pretty much busted, that locate in there and there, but not to worry too much because this baby holds it back on again. What we've got to do is undo this 10mm screw here and take it out, and that will give us enough wiggle room to basically be able to get the mirror assembly on the outside out the way enough to be able to change the weather bar. Now the weather bar is thanks to local Scrappy, and yeah, no big drama really. Should be enough to be able to get off my hand now. Okay, that's it out of the way. Now all we need to do is give it a little bit of a wiggle. Oh, and that somebody's had this one apart before, and it looks like they haven't put the clips back on it, because that's just hanging there. There should be an upper clip. It's probably been banged a bit. Now coming around here, now that's all out of the way, you simply, now you've got that, just simply pull it up and get it up as much as you can, and then give it a little wiggle. Oh, somebody's glued this one in, and it will come out. You can see the way it's all blown there. I mean, really, really blown. It shouldn't look like that, and there's your problem. It fills up with crud on there where it should normally drain off, and it blows on the inside. So before we put the new second-hand one on, we'll just give this a good old wipe, get the crap out of it, especially actually inside there as well. Just give that a clean out. And all the way up here. There we are. We've stuck a bit of contact adhesive on the end there, and as we offer it up, just slide it in like that, push it up nice and tight as you can, and then you just push the bar down, easy as that, all the way to the front. Make sure it's all properly home. Squeeze the trim in so your contact adhesive goes to both sides. We'll just nip a bit of that off, bit of excess there. There we are. So this is all nicely in place now. And now it's a matter of putting the mirror back up in place. Like I said, this has actually been broken. Looking at it, somebody's actually mullered this before, but it will go back on. So we'll just finish this off now. No need to go crazy with the tightness, it's into plastic. So what you need to do when you put it back on is you offer it in there, this side first, move it forward and then make sure it's all clipped in. And that's it.